Hey everyone, thank you guys for tuning in. This is DIY Advanced. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make this skinny couch table. Thanks for watching.
This has been one of my favorite projects thus far. I really appreciated the opportunity to work with Cherry and such a functional piece for our living room. This table is going to sit barely above the edge of our couch. It's not too large and it's not too small, and it will work and fit in perfectly with our current furniture and decor. And after watching this video, you're going to know how to build it also. Today, the skinny couch table on DIY Advance. I had edge glued 2 pieces of cherry wood together to make a panel that was about 17 inches wide. I decided to spend some time using the hand plane to straighten and flatten the board. Here you see me using the hand plane to join one clean edge and flatten the panel. Here you can see me ripping the stand down to its final dimension of 16.5 inches. And now I'm going to rip the top and the bottom down to their final width of 17 inches, leaving a 1/4 inch overhang on both sides. In order to join the boards together, I'm using the trusty domino. And all the edges are going to get a 3/8 inch roundover. Here you can see me sanding up through the grits. I will always start with 80 grit, then move on to 120, 180, and I always choose to finish with 320. I really like the way that this feels when I'm done sanding. After clamping, it was necessary to add some right angle clamps to make sure that this table came out straight and square so there wasn't any wobble or instability. Here you can see me wiping on Minwax's Wipe On Poly as the finish. This is a finish I really enjoy working with. It's solid, it's strong, it's durable, it's easy to apply. It does, however, take a long time to dry in between each coat. Here you can see me wiping on along with the grain. After each coat, I wait somewhere between 3 and 6 hours before I'll come in, sand it down, and wipe on the next coat.
Alright, so in between each coat of finish, I'm going to sand it with 600 grit sandpaper, and then I'm going to vacuum it up. I'm going to wipe it down with mineral spirits, then I'm going to add the next coat.
I will always choose to use a new small sheet of sandpaper in between each coat. I fold the sandpaper into 3 equal parts like this, giving me 3 surfaces. As I sand, I'm going to pick up some white dust from the finish, and then I just flip to another part. And then I sand again, and then I will flip to the last part.
With this coat of sanding, I'm just trying to knock down the bumps. Just trying to give it a light sand dusting to knock down the bumps. I'm putting about a pound of pressure, just the weight of my hand, onto the sandpaper, and that way I'm knocking down all the high spots, just trying to smooth it out in between each coat. You should see a little bit of white dust or white film coming off. That's okay. That's gonna get vacuumed up in just a little bit. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna vacuum it up. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of mineral spirits, wipe off any leftover dust, and then we hit it with the next coat. All right, next step, we're gonna take some mineral spirits, wet a blue shop towel with it, and then we're gonna go ahead and wipe off any leftover dust, prepping the surface for the next coat of finish.
And after completing this project, there is only one thing left to do: a coffee montage.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you want to, and subscribe. I would really appreciate any help in growing this channel. I think the table turned out awesome. I really look forward to using it over the next little time, and working with Cherry was great. Thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day.